Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Blue color, orange color, dark green color, red color, yellow color, sky blue color, light green color, black color, brown color, pink color. Today we will try to learn 1 to 20 counting. Let's start. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, 11, number 12, 1 to 12, number 13, 13, number 14, 14, number 15, 15, number 16, 16, number 17, 17, number 18, 18, number 19, 19, number 20, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bye bye kids.